Hey, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do some basic gate chip operation tasks. Basically, we're going to wire up the integrated circuits. That's what ICs stand for all the basic gates. So here you see a chip for a NOT gate. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 NOT gates on this one chip. Now, a NOT gate is also called an inverter. So this chip here is often called a hex inverter. Hex means 6, and the inverter means NOT gate. Basically, change a 1 to a 0 and a 0 to a 1. So, yeah, the code for it is 7404. And it's a NOT gate integrated circuit. Okay, so this is the chip. Here's this notch indicates which side of the chip it is, and the pin numbers go counterclockwise around the chip from the notch. So pin 1 through pin 7 are down here on the bottom, and then pin 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are up on the top. Okay, so we're going to wire these up in DeldSim and get them to work. So DeldSim looks like this. The link is right up here. Okay, there's a link to get to it. It's a UK, I thought it was UK, but there's a bunch of other colleges that use this. Okay, so it's international. So this is kind of college work. Okay, you're doing good work. Okay, you're learning a lot. Hopefully you're learning a lot. You're going to want to register for an account because you can only add a few ICs without having an account. So we can do the hex inverter. So we can do the inverter chip. You can also do the quad 2-input AND gates. So we can do AND gates. Quad just means there's 4 of them on the chip. 2-input means there are 2-input AND gates. I probably won't teach you about multiple input AND gates. Oh, I might. Definitely in Mech 3, you'll definitely learn about them in Mech 3. Okay, so here's that AND gate chip, the 7404. And look, it's 74LS08. Sorry, 7408 chip. Sometimes there's letters in the middle. Often there's letters in the middle. That refers to like specific models from specific manufacturers. Don't worry about it. You just want to look for the numbers that are here and also the description. And when you put it on there, it should work like it's supposed to. And you know how they're supposed to work now, hopefully. Okay, you can also use the OR gate. But for the other ones, we need to log in or register. So you can log in and register here, or you can do it here. So I'm going to just click this to see. Oh, look, you can see how many letters are in my password. You want to go register. Okay, so you're going to put in an email, a password. Use your school email. It's going to ask you for your first name, last name, an institution name. There's a bunch of colleges here. Just choose which college you want to go to. Okay, remember PCC Microelectronics is the MIT of 2-year semiconductor degrees. That's what the, what's that name? Semi-org. Semi-org is called the 2-year of MIT semiconductor degrees. I thought that was pretty cool. Sorry, my words are getting all mixed up, brain damage. Anyways, you get what I'm saying. So you have to choose an institution. It's going to have you choose an institution in order to do this. Like you won't get billed for this. You're not saying you're absolutely going to go somewhere. Just say something that you're interested in, okay? You can put PCC on there. You'll have to enter it under other, or you can put MIT, whatever your goal is, okay? Branch or department, you just choose something, okay? It doesn't really matter. This is just for their data collection. We're not going to mess with their data too much because we're a small sample size, okay? So don't worry about that. You want to click you're not a robot and you accept the terms and conditions. Read them. If you don't accept them, you can talk with me. We can figure out something different for you. And then register. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to wire up each of these gates, okay? And I'm going to walk you through how to do that. In this video, you can stop watching the video whenever you got it. Okay, so here's how we're going to do this. What you do is you start with, I'm going to make this super specific. There's 6 NOT gates on this chip. Choose which one you're going to use. Let's use a fancy one. Let's use this one. Why not? Why not use that one? Yeah, let's use that one. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing the shape of a NOT gate here for a wiring diagram. So I'm going to make a wiring diagram. We're going to wire it up in DeldSim, and then we're going to test it in DeldSim and put our